y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. Today, I am super excited to share with you some updates that we've made to the White Label AI Ads Manager. You guys are going to love this. Okay, so one of the things that have been updated is we now have a template library. So I'm going to show you how to use that. I'm also going to show you a new feature called optimization folders you're absolutely going to love. So before I dive into all of that, if you would like to become a reseller of our white label AI ads manager, you can go to myvisionagency.com. You can choose to join as a client or as an affiliate by creating a high level account. You could click on one of these buttons to see your options to join. So you'll see inside of the AI ads manager, you as the admin, okay, if you're a member of our program, you are the admin, so you should see the clients button up here. Now when you click on the clients button, you'll see you have your admin account. Okay, you are the agency, this is your login credentials, this is your account. When you're working in your account, you want to make sure that this is selected because these are your client accounts. Okay, so each individual client will have their own account. You have your admin account, which will have the client's button up here. Okay. Now, if you wanted to create an ad for your client, you would want to switch into one of their accounts. And we're going to talk about that in just a second. Okay. I want to show you if you go to the Creative Hub, you'll see that it looks a little bit different now. You have the ability to go ahead and create a new folder. So I'm just going to call this test here and we could give this folder a name. So let's say that we wanted to create templates for a solar business. We could go ahead and tag that. And if we wanted our clients that we sign up to have this folder automatically in their account, we could just click that and then click create. And then now we've created that folder. Whatever we put in there is going to be shared with our clients. Okay. So we could click in there and then actually create our own ad. Okay, so you can see when you click create now, a menu pops out of the side. It's the same flow as we had before, it just looks a little bit different. So you want to choose the platform that you want to advertise on. We could choose Facebook, and then you'll see it pulls in the website, and we can choose the language. We can give our product an idea, give the name of it, and a few words, and then it's going to generate the content for our ad. Okay, so really doesn't get much easier than that. Okay. Now I want to go to the template library because maybe you don't really have any idea about a templates that would work great for a solar business or whatever. You can actually just click in here, go to the template library now. You can actually just search. Let's search solar and see what they have there. So we have all of these options. You guys, there are literally hundreds of templates in here just by searching solar. And I had never even searched that when testing this out. So I had no idea, but there are tons and tons. You can also search by the platform if you're looking for Facebook or Instagram or Google search. And then you can also search for business type. So if you don't even want to use the search terms, for example, let's go to healthcare. Looks like none are available. Let's try roofing. Well, not that either. Let's try all, of course. Let's see. Okay, so maybe they're still working on sorting these out by category, but regardless, you could definitely search here. So, like we just searched for cleaning. Let's see. uh, Cleaning. There you go. So it looks like we definitely want the team to work on getting these sorted, but you could definitely just search for it and it comes up there. So that's really good to know. All right. So once you choose the template that you want to use, like let's say since we created that folder for solar, let's just say solar, and we could actually preview this. So we could click there and you'll see here when it asks for the website, that's what you want to enter in for it to go ahead and generate the template. Okay. So these are what are called when you have a template, you can actually create like custom fields. And then when you choose the template, you want to fill out those custom fields like what is your website, what is your business phone number, what is your offer, things like that. And every template will have a different field that you want to fill out. Once you do that, you can just click save, and then it goes ahead and starts generating that for you. So we see we have the targeting here. We have some keywords here. We also have the headline and so on. Okay, so Let's go ahead and let's import this into our account. Go back to the Creative Hub. Okay, so we've imported this, and of course, we could go ahead and create the ad here. Now, I don't have any ad accounts connected to this, but that's basically how you would want to do that. Okay, so you just want to import it, and then you can start creating your ad. Now, the next thing that I wanted to talk to you about was the client side of it. So let's say this you're doing this for a client, okay, or for yourself. So that would be the process, right? You're just importing, you're the agency, you're running ads for your agency. You're just going to use that template yourself, okay? But let's say that you actually wanted to share this template with a client. All right. Now, of course, when you're creating your template, you can, edit it and do whatever you want to it. But then when you want to share it with the client, you can actually click here and then you can either share with all of your clients. So especially if you have like a niche, or in my program, we're software resellers, we're all reselling the same tool. So it's easy to create ads. And I actually do have a folder that I share with everyone with some ads. But if you wanted to share with all of them, you could click here, or you could just choose individual clients that you want to share this template with, and then it will automatically import. Okay. So if I wanted to share this, let's just say with test business, I could click there. And then now if I go to my clients here and I go into test business, I'm just going to click there to switch into the account. Now you'll see that this is highlighted and it's selected. So I know now I'm in test business account, and you'll see up here, test business account. I'm still in my main admin account. I haven't changed my login. I'm still in the account, but now I'm working in this client's account. Okay. So if I go to the Creative Hub, now I see the template that I just sent them, and I can just click here to create my ad. Now, again, no platforms are connected. But that's how I would want to create the ad. Now, what's really cool about this too is if I did want to charge my client a percent of the ad spend, I actually can just type that in here. And then whatever ad spend that they you can see here, it's pretty self-explanatory, but that's pretty gnarly. If I also wanted to limit the platforms that are available to this client, because as a software reseller, we can create our own packages. So if I wanted to create a basic package that just had Facebook and Instagram ads, and that's all I want them to have the ability to run, because you can see we have all of these platforms here that our clients can choose from. But if I want them to be limited according to whatever their plan is, I could just toggle these off. And then now this account will not be able to use any of the other features here. Okay. Now it does default to all of them. So if you do have a basic plan, right now it's a manual process. So you'd have to go when someone signs up for your basic plan, say with just Facebook or Instagram, then you would want to come into the account and then toggle all of these off so that they're compliant with their plan. Okay. So if we go now to connect platforms, you just see Facebook and Instagram. Okay. So, that is okay. There's one more thing that I wanted to show you. Now, I do need to hop into this account because I actually have active ads running. So, um, we now have this option for optimization folders. You guys, this is the absolute coolest thing I have seen in so long. What you can do is, let's say that you have maybe all the Google channels, you have ads running on Google, you have ads running on Snapchat, and you have ads running on LinkedIn and Facebook. Okay. Now, let's say that you are running this campaign, but you really want to kind of group all of these different ads together so that the system, the AI, will move your ad spend to the smartest or to the best performing campaign or ad. Okay. Now, the software does this automatically when you have ads running in the same campaign. So if I look at like this result, I don't know if there's any results in this ad yet or not, but if I look at this ad campaign here, let me go back to advertising here. Let's try this old one. All right. So if I look at this ad campaign, it will tell me Load. It will tell me what is the best performing, content. What is the best Why is this not loading? Here we go. So it tells me down here, like how much you've spent on your ad, what's the cost per click, and all of those things. And it'll tell you like which assets are performing the best, what's the click through rate, and all of those things. It'll tell you what your benchmarks are and all of that. Okay. And that is very helpful within the campaign. But a lot of times you have, um, ads that are running on multiple different campaigns, and maybe your ad is just crushing it on LinkedIn, but it's just in the toilet on Facebook, right? We want to be able to create a group that the AI will manage for us, kind of like an ads manager, right? Like an optimization specialist. So what we can do is create folders, and let's say this is all of my, let's say that I'm just promoting AI ads or whatever I want to promote. Okay. I can even give it an image here if I want to. So I can create my folder here. Now, when I click in the folder, I can, or actually move these ads that I'm running. Let's say I want to move this one to my folder that's called AI ads. All right. Now, when I go into the folder, now you'll see we have this option. And I'm so sorry that I don't have enough campaigns running, because you can see here to start the optimization, a folder must contain between 3 and 10 campaigns. So what it would do, let's say that I had this Facebook ads running, I had Google, I had TikTok and all of that. So I could add all of those ads to this folder. And once you turn this on, you can't add any more ads. So make sure before you turn it on, you've added everything that you want it to start basically optimizing. And then it's going to move your ad spend, not just within the campaign on that specific platform, but it's going to move that among all the other platforms. So if LinkedIn is crushing it, that's where a majority of your ad spend is going to be. Okay. You guys, this is all done with AI. It is not done by you, a human. So if you are charging your clients a service, you absolutely can do this, because even though, and it's not like you're doing anything dishonest, right? You're the one who knows how to get all these things set up. And really, clients just want the peace of mind to know that someone is managing this so that they can go do what they do best. Okay. So if you are the one managing this for clients, you can see now where you maybe could take on 5 clients a month to do these types of things for. Now you have just expanded your business and scaled to heights that maybe you never even thought was possible without a large team. Okay. This is absolutely phenomenal. Hats off to the developers. Super, super impressed. Okay. So, again, if you guys want to be resellers of this software, go to myvisionagency.com. You can sign up there, whether you want to be a client or join as a high level affiliate. We have coaching, all the funnels and resources and all of that stuff you could possibly need. So, thank you all so, so much for joining me. And I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. For joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting right now at bridgetbartlett.com. It's free and open to everyone, so I'll see you there.